We have a pair of trail running shoes. I'd like to thank the seller for sending these shoes to us in exchange for a video. All the opinions in this video are my own. Let's get into it. We're gonna go from that to this. And I like it's got laces. These old ones do not have the laces idea. I like laces. This is why they're a trail running shoe. Excellent looking grip on these things, flexibility. They come with, which I think is nice, they actually come with the shoe holder stuff, you know, so they don't get too mushed down in shipping. Extremely breathable fabric here we got going on. With the paper that was in there, it held an odor, and if you just let them air out, that will disappear after some time.